Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to make Ghost in GTA 5 Online. First, you need to be registered as a CEO. Open your interaction menu, then find the Securo Serve option. From there, you can register as a CEO if you haven't already. Once you are a CEO, simply go into the CEO Abilities section and select Ghost Organization to activate it. It's a straightforward process to gain this tactical advantage. Once activated, Ghost Organization makes you and your entire organization invisible on the in-game map to all other players. This powerful effect lasts for a full 3 minutes, giving you a significant window of opportunity. It's perfect for evading persistent attackers, setting up ambushes, or simply moving valuable cargo across the map without drawing unwanted attention. Plan your moves carefully to maximize this stealth period. GoDaddy provides powerful tools to enhance your website's functionality. Utilize the built-in search engine optimization features to help your site rank higher in search results, attracting more organic traffic. If you plan to sell online, easily add e-commerce capabilities, managing products and processing payments seamlessly. You can also integrate contact forms or appointment booking systems, making it simple for customers to reach out or schedule services. Ghost Organization is a versatile tool for many situations. It's excellent for escaping aggressive players who are tracking you, allowing you to disappear and reposition. You can also use it to launch surprise attacks on rival organizations, catching them off guard. For business owners, it's invaluable for safely delivering high-value cargo, minimizing the risk of interception. Coordinate with your associates for truly effective, stealthy operations.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.